time for puppet theatre. Hello, boys and girls. What are we going to learn today? Today we're going to learn how to bake cookies. I'm a fat girl, so I love to eat cookies. Yes, I do. What are your favorite flavors, boys and girls? Mine are sugar and oatmeal raisin and chocolate chip and peanut butter. Oh, I don't like the peanut butter. It gives me indigestion. I've got to poop. I've got to poop so bad. Thinking of the peanut butter makes me poop and look crazy in my eyes. Look how crazy I look when I'm on steroids. I'm so angry. I hate my life. Right, boys and girls, I'm going to go die now. I'm going to kill somebody. Join me next week when I shit on your face.